Travel tech makes a great present, and I'm speaking from experience here. We've rounded up some of our favorite gear we hope is on sale this year for Black Friday. While we're not exactly sure what's going to be on sale, these brands have offered deals in the past, so we're hopeful they will this year too. Plus, we'll be updating our Amazon storefront throughout the holidays to help you save. Link down in the description below. First, let's check out the mobile tripod that I carry with me every day and on every trip that I take. The Peak Design mobile tripod is the size of a couple of stacked credit cards and attaches to any MagSafe compatible phone or phone case. If your phone doesn't have MagSafe, you can use the Peak Design case or universal mount for the same connectivity. Either way, it's super easy to use for time-lapse shots of the night sky or taking a group photo. Just pull the test tube shape out from the top of the rectangle, then spread the 3 anti-slip feet to support your phone. The tripod legs swivel around this ball head base, making it easy to balance your phone in both portrait and landscape modes. You can also use it to watch downloaded content on the plane, and it pops off easily if you don't want to use it. You may want to add this battery bank to your Amazon cart too. The Satechi Quatro wireless power bank allows you to charge your iPhone and Apple Watch at once. We like the convenience of wireless charging if you want to leave cables behind, or bring them along and charge additional devices using USB ports. While it is a little bulky, its 10,000 milliamp capacity is enough to top up your daily carry tech. You might want to hang on to the instruction manual for a bit though, as there's a bit of a learning curve. With the perfect pouch, you have space to carry all the travel tech you need. And we think the Thule Subterra 2 PowerShuttle Small is a great compact way to do it. The internal organization works well for the essentials you carry daily or on a trip. On the right is a large slip pocket for your passport, a wall charger, or even a small hard drive. It doesn't stretch, but the elastic loops on its front do. Those are good for holding cords, a pen, and a slim battery bank. The opposite side includes 2 stretchy mesh slip pockets for small gear like AirPods, a loop for a pen or stylus on the edge, and a zippered pocket that spans the entire side of the organizer. It has a key clip inside and is also a good place for a small notebook or some cash. That way you'll have everything you need to work at the cafe. I've been using the AirTags since Apple introduced them. Unfortunately, the round shape doesn't always fit in a wallet, and that's why I like the rolling square AirCard. It still uses Apple's Find My network, and its slim design slides easily into a card slot. Rolling Square says its chime is 20% louder than Apple's, and while we don't have a decibel reader at the office, we think that the video game-like tone is pretty easy to hear. The AirCard sends you alerts when you leave your gear behind, and it has a QR code that Good Samaritans can scan to get your contact information and reconnect you with your gear. It also functions as a digital business card, but we haven't used that feature as much since iOS 17 and beyond integrate it into the iPhone. It's not always easy to have your camera close at hand, but it can be easier with Peak Design's capture clip. It's a unique alternative to a neck strap that attaches your camera to a shoulder strap of your backpack. The metal base plate connects to your camera just like a tripod would, and the clip itself slides onto your bag's strap after you loosen the knobs. While having a DSLR strap to the front of your shoulder feels a bit different at first, we found that it allows us to take our camera to places like the market more often than with any other strap. It stays in place on your chest instead of swaying around as you move and getting in the way of your hands. It's nearly as comfortable as a strap, but with that satisfying feeling of unholstering a device just like Indiana Jones would. And you don't get that from a piece of nylon. Just make sure to remember to remove your camera before setting your bag down though. Whether you're flying for the holidays or need to tune out at work, noise-canceling headphones are handy. So treat yourself with these Sonys if you see them on an Amazon Black Friday sale. They do a good job at cutting down the noise around you and adapting to the volume of your surroundings. You can pair them with the Sony Connect app for even more customization, though we find they do well right out of the box. We tested them alongside other popular travel headphones, and they scored second highest on our list for noise cancellation and have above average sound quality, even with thumping bass lines. Our staff writer Christine has been wearing them daily for several weeks and says they're comfortable for hours and have a reliable 30-hour battery life. While they can get a little sweaty after a long time, they are a great shout if you like the over-ear headphone style. Here's another pick from our digital nomad packing list. It's great to bring along if you may need a flashlight but don't want to make space for something bulky in your bag. The LEDs in the thumb-sized Nitecore TINI 2 pack a punch, putting out a max of 500 lumens of light to brighten your path in dark, unfamiliar places. There's also a low power mode to save battery and allow you to read in bed after your travel companion has fallen asleep. The TINI 2 is easier to turn on while wearing gloves than your phone flashlight, comfortable to hold, and has a tiny carabiner clip so you can hook it onto your keychain just in case. There are a couple of modes to choose from, including lockouts to keep it from turning on accidentally, so we recommend playing with it before heading out on a trip. But that's fun to do on a lazy holiday morning, so we don't think it's a drawback. It's also fun to pop apart the circular sides of this charger to lie flat on your bedside table. The 12 South Butterfly is nearly as small as an AirPods case and can charge your phone and watch. Our video producer Ahmad loves these because his devices lock into place on the magnetic pads for easy charging overnight. Plus, it's small enough to bring to the office and quickly charge his watch while he's a little bit more inactive or not tracking his sleep. You can also use it as a display stand to put your phone in standby mode for a bedside clock that you can't use the watch at the same time. However, it works with nightstand mode on the Apple Watch. Just keep in mind that you can only charge one device when it's in nightstand mode, so just pick whichever one needs more juice. It won't matter where you are since it includes a 30-watt wall charger and 4 international plug adapters that allow it to work nearly anywhere in the world. While traveling the world for work or pleasure, you'll probably want to bring along a couple of cables, chargers, and the like. So why not carry them in style? We're digging the aesthetics of the Bellroy Tech Kit made with polyester recycled from plastic bottles with classy leather accents. Its structured design is beefed up with padding to protect your gear and includes simple internal organization. One side contains 2 stretchy mesh pockets large enough for a wall charger or a travel mouse. The opposite side includes 5 elastic loops for holding cords, dongles, or earbuds, plus one at the bottom for a pen or stylus. There's a magnetic slip pocket behind that, which is large enough for a battery bank or your passport, and it includes a card sleeve and an SD card pocket to keep everything you'll need for a day together in one spot. If you're looking for a universal cable for those elastics, then check out the latest from Rolling Square. We love the inCharge line of universal cords, and the inCharge XS has the same adaptability as the X, but with faster charging. It has an ultra-fast charging speed of up to 240 watts, though transfer speeds are capped at 480 megabytes per second. Its adapters are permanently tethered to either end of the cord, giving you the option to choose between 4 different combinations of USB-C, USB-A, and Lightning connections. The metal ends snap together with magnets, so you can hang it from a keychain or snap it around a loop in your tech kit, and the tethered cap protects the ends. Its tiny size means you have a cable wherever you need it, whether it's stowed on your keys or in your tech kit. If you're carrying around a cord instead, you'll want a way to keep it together. Whether to wrap cables or hold a hat on your travel backpack, Velcro brand cable ties are more useful than you'd think. We like buying these durable strips in a roll of 100, so there's plenty to go around. Tie back the curtains in your hotel room, hang your water bottle from your backpack, or connect several to make a loop big enough to hold your travel yoga mat. Pretty much anything you can think to do with a zip tie you can do with these, though the Velcro are reusable, and zip ties you just need to throw away. While lint and pet hair can get stuck in the loops inside of the Velcro strip, it's pretty easy to clean out, and even if one gets ruined, you'll have 99 more to use. Your laptop is probably the most expensive tech that you carry, so it makes sense to protect it when you're traveling. But if you don't want to find somewhere to stow a laptop sleeve when you're using the device, you might like the Thule Gauntlet 3.0, which stays with your computer while you use it. The Gauntlet has a polyurethane exterior, which is firm but not flexible like hard plastic, so it's easier to grab out of the bag. Inside, foam padding cradles your device like a glove, with soft material covering it to prevent scratches. It has additional protections for edges and corners too, and closes with a YKK zipper. Elastic straps on either side keep the case in your laptop while you have it open, though you'll have to tuck them in when you close it. Ours fits up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro. You can find it in different sizes too. When you go for a run in a new place, you want to stay aware of your surroundings. Of course, that's true anytime you walk or run. If you like to run in the outdoors, be on the lookout for a sale on these SHOKZ headphones. These bone conduction Bluetooth headphones let you listen to music, a podcast, or take a call without blocking out the world around you. You never know when a car may come up as you're crossing the street, or a biker may ring a bell behind you. The lightweight titanium frame wraps around your head, and the speakers hook over your ear instead of fully covering them like other headphones. That may sound odd, and it does take a little getting used to, but Christine has been using them for years and she loves them. She says that she hardly notices that they're on, and it is super easy to take a phone call or skip a song while she's on a run. Sound quality is still pretty good, but you'll still hear a bunch of other noises around you, keeping you safe. And if you have a running buddy, they might hear a little bit of your music too. With a 10-hour battery, you can marathon train or meander through the woods for the entire day without running out. You won't want to run in a new place without your passport either. So track it down with the Satechi vegan leather passport cover. It has a premium vibe and a hidden secret built-in smart tracker to find it again if you leave it behind. Inside are 4 card slots and a large slip pocket for your boarding passes or other travel documents. Plus, the smart tracker is rechargeable and has a fairly loud speaker to alert you of its location, with a range of up to 64 feet indoors and up to 160 feet outdoors. Plus, it's compatible with Apple's Find My network if you forget it further away. The battery can last for more than 2 weeks before recharging, so you won't have to worry about it on a trip. However, the battery on this keyboard can last for months. And if you're using your laptop for more than browsing, you may want a more ergonomic keyboard than one on your device. The MX Keys mini wireless keyboard from Logitech connects up to 3 devices, switching between your iPad, laptop, and a smart TV with a button. It has a built-in backlight that turns on automatically when you hover your hands over the top, so it's there when you need it, but off when you don't. If you need to go longer between charges, you can disable this feature and get up to 5 months of battery life, but it should last about 10 days if you use it. Whether or not it's on, this keyboard is really comfortable to type with. The silicone pads on the bottom keep it from sliding around, and the keys feel sturdy under our tester's fingers. Sure, it's a little heavier than some other travel keyboards, but we find the durable materials and long battery life to be worth the trade-off. Another travel essential to snag if it's on sale is this 150-watt charger from Anker. It has the higher wattage I need to keep up with my MacBook Pro, and it's still going strong after almost a year of use. The Anker 747 tops out at 150 watts, so it's enough to handle my device, and the GaN technology makes it smaller than wall chargers you get from Apple. It's a little heavy, but Anker includes suction cups to stabilize it in looser outlets. It has one USB-A and 3 USB-C ports, and you can check out Anker's site to see how much power you can expect from each, depending on how many devices you charge. If you want to play your music at the pool, then you'll want to check out a waterproof speaker. The Altec Lansing mini Bluetooth speaker is super lightweight, yet has good sound quality. It weighs less than 4 ounces and is waterproof with an IP67 rating in case it falls in the water or you get caught in the rain. The plastic casing is wrapped in a removable silicone shell, which is easy to clean if it gets dirty. We also find it easy to use with buttons to play and pause music and skip tracks. You can clip it with a carabiner to the outside of your travel backpack, though it doesn't take up much space either if you want to toss it inside. You might want this at your hotel or Airbnb too if you want to game with your friends all weekend. The Genki Covert Mini puts your Nintendo games on the big screen without needing the bulky switch dock. Since it's about the same size as an iPhone wall charger, it's easy to fit into your tech pouch or sling. Connect your Nintendo Switch with the included 6-foot USB-C cord and hook it up to the TV in your hotel or Airbnb to get your fix of Super Mario Party Jamboree. You will need to bring a separate HDMI cable, but you probably already have one laying around. Or you can use the cable that's already plugged into the TV, which is what our managing editor Lauren did on a recent trip. Just be sure to plug it back in when you're done. It's also handy to have a way to hold your phone steady while on a trip. That way you can take group photos, study videos, or watch your favorite show on the go. The JOBY HandyPod clip tripod is mostly plastic, which makes it lightweight and portable for travel and everyday use. The tripod has a ball joint for small cameras as well as a phone grip with elastic bands, so you can use it with multiple devices. One of the legs serves as a handle for POV videos and has a carabiner clip to the outside of your bag when you're not using it. The compact size makes it easy to hook there on your belt loop to have it ready whenever you need a steady shot. So there's the tech we hope to see on sale for this Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale on Amazon. Be sure to watch our Amazon storefront, which will keep updated with all the latest deals, linked down in the description below. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker. We'll see you in the next video.